Come back, check in there again. Cameron there, so. Alright guys, check in. Welcome back to the channel. What is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. You don't know your boy Josh Lifestyle JA, and we're there up on the seaside with Colaz, Chops, T-Bag, Natty, and so other general, you see me, so stay tuned and watch what go on. So Chops, what you say I get today?
Me? I don't know what the feel, but I'm going to try so I can find.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright peeps, so stay tuned and watch what go on. Yeah, we're outside.
I'm
a first time, you know. I'm a first time.
Everybody is a first time for everything. God is the greatest.
I true that.
And Josh and I can't get up for a long time, you know.
You know?
Yeah, man. What do you want to see and climb? I go hook in, man. Hook up with Nigel.
Yeah.
Take off me hat, cause you know when time I have on that people can't know see me. Yeah man.
Oh
So
yeah.
guys,
You fly home?
big up on yourself and thanks for tuning in to the general channel. Josh Lifestyle, big up yourself in general.
That is it.
First time we meet up. Yeah man. It's a pleasure man. We're going out there without fear seeing we, you know. Yeah man, whole heap of things you are going to see today where maybe you never see.
Yeah.
Yeah man, you are going to see a mermaid and then see.
Yeah.
Alright, so people, on the stay tuned and watch how I go on.
That is
Yeah
it.
man.
What kind of shit is now?
Papi, may I catch him?
Chops, watch me, you know. No smoking, protect the environment, yo. Somebody afraid.
What drops in front of the bus? Oi, you want to see how this place?
Man, how much of man right for that?
One man, one. See there.
Give me. Give me.
What you go, bro? What you go? Yo, yes, kill Chuck. Yo. Why skin it up?
Oh, watch your back. Yeah.
Alright guys, check in. Welcome back to the channel. You don't know your boy Josh Lifestyle JA, and as you can see, I actually have a mic, so big up to Colaz TV for sponsoring me with a mic guys. So right now we're there up on the island. We just reached actually, so the man never get gear up for dive and thing. So who don't know so me can't swim already guys, so right now we just have to take a look around the island and see if one suitable spot there where we can actually throw some line without getting snag. So yeah man guys, stay tuned and watch what go on. As you can see, me fully gear up. I hide myself from the sun because you know sunburn is a real thing. Even though my skin have enough melanin, still have to protect myself from the sun. So yeah man guys, that is it. So stay tuned and watch what go on. Watch out the glasses. Stay tuned and watch what go on guys, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. As you can see, we're there with Cameron, Colaz, T-Bag, Papi, Natty, and other general. So yeah man guys, that is it. Stay tuned. Alright people, take a look. We have a bugger hermit crab. Creepy crawler. Look how that one is big. My god. Watch it. Alright guys, we have a rod in hand. So first we're gonna start out with some lure. Yeah. And then Natty the over here so I catch all the fish them. Natty I catch all the fish them for. Ah. Baby fish that man, but go on do your things still. Yeah man guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna see if I can hook up a fish with this rod. So today is more of a survival video. Yeah guys, we're far from the mainland, as I'm telling you. So we are stay until night. Yeah man, big up yourself Ninja. Yeah man, that is it. Cause I always hear say you gotta see and do them type of stuff here, so I see if I can meet the expectations of everybody today. So that is it. We are gonna catch a fish today guys. Alright people, check in. So right now we're there with Natty. Yeah, and say I'm gonna build up a fire. So Natty, where you build up the fire now?
Where was I? Build the fire to man and come out the water.
Oh.
Come out the water, the fire active, you know?
Yeah. Which part of town you come from?
Town, country, I come from.
A joke.
You will have them burn one time.
People can catch a fire quick though. Kinda surprised. Cause the wind strong out there. Yeah man peeps. I don't catch no fish. I don't know if I catch a fish until night time because it kinda hurt me. So I'm gonna see what I go on for the rest of the day. When time night come, then I start throw back line again. So that is it. We just step on the seaside, I go on easy back until nightfall. Yeah. Alright guys, we see Colaz right there, so. Octopus that Migs. Octopus that. How will I take it? Oh. What kind of fish that? Eh?
Lion fish and one grunt and one dark fish.
So you're not afraid of that? Lionfish.
You can't afraid of something where you're gonna have.
Yeah, and you have that?
That's good.
Of course. Alright people, check in. So this is the amount of fish them what the guys have catch so far. Me not catch no fish. So yeah, this a Papi catch and this a Colaz catch. So are you gonna eat the lionfish?
You don't have lionfish?
No.
You never know me yet.
Me not trust that.
What am I going to do?
No poison me.
Poison,
Yeah.
lionfish nice, brother. You can get poison already then.
Not try that.
Poison?
I don't know if you can try that. No, I probably atmospheric pressure the change. Eh? Probably impregnant. What? Guys, Natty build up the fire. Take a look. Yeah. I'm gonna get piece of grill for put on it and some black. I don't know if I'm first time I come here, but this look like a pretty decent fire. See? The first time being here. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get some fish roast up, so stay tuned and watch what go on. Alright people, check in, so clean up when I fish them. Yeah, I believe this is a grunt and me have him right this up on the fire. I'm gonna go and cook Yeah man, peeps, so yeah. That is it. Big up yourself, Papi. And you give me the fish. Cause I can't catch a fish. In them look shallow water here. So yeah man, peeps, I gotta roast him up. I actually flip him over. Yeah. Make him take time cook.
You hear that?
Yeah. So stay tuned guys and watch how go on.
On that Casper.
Alright people, check in. So right now just I left from the island. Yeah, I'm not sure if I gonna go back. But yeah, we're there further out now. So take a look. Yeah, we're gonna left the island now. And the fish you wanna see me and cook, I actually eat it. So yeah man, everything is good. And everything will go good so far. So all I'm on them there, Papi there. You rad? Yeah. See you with the catch. Alright peeps, so stay tuned and watch how go on. Yeah.
Rock then. Buy me buy the rock there, you know?
Hey, the sun is a hot man, you're well charged. So when I work the break.
They don't want nobody go up there. Guys, take a look.
They say you shoot the AC shot. Okay. Yeah? So if a high hand did a base it down on that. You can fish you out of that. Alright, sir.
Here. Watch your rock there.
A rocket fishing now?
Yeah, knock up there. No, man, I rock the fishing now.
You see all them a place and nothing, all of them a place up?
Guys,
Alright.
I don't want to get seasick, so I go check in with you when time start show line. Because boat go up and down, as you can see. Boat go up and down. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch how go on, guys. So we'll check in back with you. Check in with there again. So today I'm gonna catch no fish, which I did kind of expect because the fish them gone, the fish them they far out, and the places all go never really have much. So yeah guys, right now I'm kind of tired, and the man them do this grill up some fish. So yeah man guys, there we still have a couple more hours on the island guys, so the survival not over yet, but yeah we still there going to wait. The man them still might get some more fish, which I even not gonna try because actually me there get a little bit seasick, but not really. So today I complete the mission how I did actually put it set in mind. Never want to get seasick, and me never get seasick. So yeah, that was my mission and mission accomplished. So yeah, I'm good. But right now guys, we are roast up some fish, get some fish steaming with the pot and things. So stay tuned and watch how go on, and be sure to like, share, subscribe guys. Yeah man guys, we have a couple more hours on this beautiful island. Yeah, we are alone upon the island guys, but they're far from the mainland. Well, I'm on them over here, so I grill up. Alright people, see the fish them here?
Take all the fish
Yeah.
out of the papi and lock back igloo, but yeah, can serve now.
Yeah man babe, so stay tuned and watch how go on. I'm supposed to go get some steamed fish on the fire as well. I'm showing you in an igloo. Yeah, bag of fish. Some there right there, so some there, so camera there, so
Scrape off some of the fish.
yeah.
That's it.
Good.
Yeah, jump on that.
Kita kau melt kita nanti.
You can race me. I'm here on this side. I'm sorry, race. You can race up.
Yo.
Yeah,
You can't race me if you really put your mind to it. This is a big survival dinner. Yeah. Alright, people, check in. See there. Man, them are going with themselves. One igloo full of fish. Yeah, man. Natty there still a show line.
Yeah, man, and the cap down here go and wait for the general, then, you know?
Yeah, that is it.
One Josh lifestyle.
Yeah, sir.
So, you see what I go
Mm-hmm.
I catch them.
Best believe it's not even one that me catch.
Alright.
Jaja. Alright.
Alright, my tour guys. Everything is good.
Yeah, that is it.
No, I'm telling you, I come for you, man. Come back.
Never here.
Go on, good.
Shut up by them, look. One more there, sir. One more there, sir.
Go on.
Oh, you see that big stone them?
Yeah, I know them there. Yeah.
Fix it over the side.
No, go on, bud.